Good day mga ka-PH. So I'm here in Vegas right now. Today's Saturday at around noon. So it's a very nice day. It's a windy day today. It's a windy day. The trees. It's blowing so hard. Blowing so hard. We have ayos na bag na. Yung isa nga din isa. Ayun, magalaw na. Napusa. Ito yung switch niya. Ayun, namatay siya. Na. Kain na tayo. Simula kumain. Asan yung isang monitor mo rito?
Sa kabigang. Pipigapin natin naman.
I-install mo pa isa? Okay, let's go. Let's go eat. Go. Going to Korean place, Korean barbecue place. We are gonna eat. We're gonna eat again. Food trip in Vegas again. Part 2. Food trip part 2. Ready? Ay, dapat na video natin yung Korean. Yung menu, yung labas. All you can eat. Kaso, ko to. Kasi may music eh. Puro sign language na tayo.
Eating good.
Kausap, mag-ano ka naman. At saka okay lang yung music kasi
Hindi ka pa naman binabayaran.
hindi makaka-copyright ako.
Hindi ata.
Okay. Ayan. Ito. Sige, lagay mo na.
Gawin natin ito maliliit.
Para sa ito. Nagyan ng ulam. Ha? Nagyan na ng ulam. Ito sa mga luto. Saan yung kimchi na ito? Yung mga kimchi wala. Wow, sarap nito. Ikaw lang kumuha. Kinuto ko sa'yo.
Get more of the chili. And that's it. Thank you.
Good. Dapat tinutukan ko 'to eh. Natanggal mo na yung mga ano.
Ganun mo, pakita.
Alin?
Lapit mo sa camera.
Tuluan ako.
Lapit, ganun mo.
Mas maganda ba malapit? Close up. Sana ang focus mo. You know.
Yan. Sarap tignan sa camera.
Ano ba? Ang sarap. Oh my God.
Ito masarap ko. Sarap yan.
Lalo ka? Focus ko ulit. Ang dami oh. Yan oh. Dami ito. Hot sauce.
Yeah, can you just order 2 orders of premium beef belly? Yeah. That's it.
Maybe some water. Water. Good. Sumasarap pala yung onion pag ano? Pagka ginay. Oo, tingnan mo, tingnan mo, sarap. Oh shit! Guys, tayo nahulog.
Doma tayo.
Ito na last.
Last na yan?
Ang dalawa. Oh, finish ka na. Finish. Final bite na ako. Final bite. We are done here. Sarap na itong sauce. Big sauce. We are full.
Orga ng itlog.
Itlog. Final bite. Oh my god. Oh. Huh. Woo. Okay. Finally, we're done. Oh. Huh? So this place is good, master. Games. It's a lot of their restaurants. There's also seafood here. Sushi, ate? May sushi pala, oh. There's also sushi there. Here. And that's the new hotel. The Durango Resort Casino. Hotel. It's still windy out here. See? It's windy out here. Guys, see you later. Bye-bye. Guys, we're full, so full. The food was so delicious. It's all you can eat Korean barbecue. So guys, we're heading home now. So see you on the next vlog. Ed PH signing out. Bye. So mga ka-PH, it's already 11 p.m. So we're looking for a midnight snack. So we're going to because we went to the gym, so that's why we get hungry again. So we're going to the Durango Hotel Resort Casino. So we're gonna eat some burgers there. Okay, see you later. Durango, here we come. That's where we're going. Durango Hotel. It's a new hotel here in this area. The new hotel. So we know hotel here. Durango. Durango Hotel Casino. Parking. Going to the parking lot. Tahimik naman dito. Walang tao sa garahe. Makita mo yan? Walang tao sa garahe. Bag. go.
We at Durango Hotel. Gonna get some midnight snacks.
Midnight snacks. He's always hungry.
Food trip part 2.
Is the elevator over there? Yeah, over there. Let's go, guys. Elevator. Third floor pala tayo. Anong floor to?
2.
Ah, 2. Second floor. Okay. Going to ground. Okay. Okay, we're in Durango Hotel. There's an oyster bar here. May pizza. Saan tayo? Brand new hotel. Ang linis.
May pasta doon. Gusto mo pasta?
Ayoko. Gabi. Sa food court tayo. Ito, may pizza rin dito. Ito, food court ba to? Ito, food court ba, no? Finally, we got our orders. Oh man. I got this one.
Sa akong price, malutong.
Hindi mo maalat. Dami pila, oh. Haba pila sa Arby's Burgers. Let's dig in. We are done eating burger and fries. So we're going to the car now and going home to sleep. Or we're gonna watch movie first before we sleep. So see ya, good night, and see you in the next vlog. It's PH signing off. Another day, another food vlog. Where are you now?
We're at Mang Felix, Filipino restaurant.
So we're gonna eat some Filipino food. Okay. I ordered beef, rice, and egg. What you get?
Got long silog, longganisa.
It's a longanisa. It's like a sweet sausage with rice and eggs.
Garlic rice.
So let's wait for the order. So this is the long silog,
Long silog.
the sweet pork sausage with rice and egg,
2 extra eggs.
2 extra eggs, with a dipping sauce here.
Focus ba?
Oh, wow!
Wow. Dipping? Ayun.
Good. Dami. So this is the top silog. It's a marinated beef with fried rice and egg and a dipping sauce. This is so good. Wow. Oh my gosh. Cool. Yeah,